Deposits to his 4 bank accounts amounted to $168 million that could not be explained. Where have we seen this before? We have seen it when the Integrity Commission produced its report into the financial conduct of the Prime Minister and his personal financial affairs, where we saw that there were deposits to the tune of millions of Jamaican dollars that could not be explained.
Jamaica, let me tell you something. Me see you refuse to hold Andrew Holness accountable. But me go tell you take off the green shades off on your eye. Andrew send Audrey Marks to go sign the paper. I ain't draw up the agreement. Because you see, Jamaica, Harris Chan come out and talk about say the deportee them is transit, them in transit.
Welcome back to Willis Reaction. If it's your first time here, you are in the right place for the latest Jamaican news, politics, and trending stories that the mainstream media are not always covering. Today's topic is creating a lot of discussion across Jamaica and the diaspora. People are asking questions, opinions are divided, and many want answers. We are going back to break down the facts, examine the claims that are being made, and look at what this could mean for Jamaicans moving forward. Before we begin, I need your help. If you feel Jamaica deserve an opening discussion and different view opinion, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps this channel grow and allow us to continue bringing you more content every day. Also leave your thoughts in the comment below. I want to hear you are thinking about this story. Do you agree with what is being said, or do you see things differently? Stay tuned because the details coming up may surprise you. Let's get straight to the video.
Deposits to his 4 bank accounts amounted to $168 million that could not be explained. Where have we seen this before? We have seen it when the Integrity Commission produced its report into the financial conduct of the Prime Minister and his personal financial affairs, where we saw that there were deposits to the tune of millions of Jamaican dollars that could not be explained. The Integrity Commission was very extensive in the opportunities that it provided him. The findings are more serious than just the $164 million of his wealth that could not be explained by his lawful income. There were bank deposits that also could not be explained. According to the Integrity Commission's report, total deposits across his 4 personal accounts for the relevant period amounted to approximately $595 million. After accounting for transfers, interest, and deposits that carried a satisfactory explanation, the Integrity Commission was satisfied with the explanation provided for that. Approximately $168 million remain unexplained. In essence, deposits to his 4 bank accounts amounted to $168 million that could not be explained. Where have we seen this before? We have seen it when the Integrity Commission produced its report into the financial conduct of the Prime Minister and his personal financial affairs, where we saw that there were deposits to the tune of millions of Jamaican dollars that could not be explained. It's the same pattern that is emerging in this situation with Dr. Andrew Wheatley. There are also vehicle sales that could not be properly substantiated. Dr. Wheatley claimed $29 million from the sale of vehicles. The Director of Investigation was able to independently verify the sale of only 4 of the 6 vehicles claimed. No documentary evidence of sale prices was produced for any of them. That is problematic, and this contributed to the conclusion from the Integrity Commission that something was not right with the conduct of his financial affairs. Let's also look at rental income. Dr. Wheatley reported approximately $143 million in rental income over the period. When he was formally requested to provide the tenants' names, the lease agreements, and bank deposits evidence, he initially refused. Now, if you are on a mission to clear your name, I don't understand why it would be difficult for you to produce the information necessary to act as evidence in your defense. So he initially refused, citing the Data Protection Act. And the Director of Investigation determined that argument had no legal basis whatsoever under the Integrity Commission Act.
Jamaica, let me tell you something. Me see you refuse to hold Andrew Willis accountable. But me go tell you, take off the green shades off on your eye. Andrew send Audrey Marks to go sign the paper. I him draw up the agreement. Because you see, Jamaica, Harris Chang come out and talk about say the deportee them is transit, them in transit when them come to Jamaica to them home country. That's what Harris Chang say. You see? Them know you a fool. That's why them can't shoot anything down on your throat for no believe. But you see Jamaica, Harris Chang couldn't go sign the paper. As a security minister, many important meetings and signing him can't go. Him can't go Canada. Him can't go America. Him cannot set him foot on the shores of the United States. Else him ass won't get arrested. You see? And that are the reason Jamaica why Andrew keep him which part him there. So intelligence, we are pass it have to pass through him. So him we know we are go down. Because him is a criminal inside the government. Like Andrew Wheatley and the rest. Where them statutory declaration cannot be certified. But look Pauno. A paint round, cause you know a paint round. Labor right, a paint round, a go round. Oh no call for Andrew Wheatley to resign with the big old corruption. Who give anyone gift of 6 property? Somebody just love Andrew Wheatley, so them just give him 6 lots. Say here is gift. Jamaica. You see all them nonsense them put before Uno? I don't know if you believe it. But you know like when we come out, come talk. So they come pushing the little narratives and come round and come round and come round. Because you know I face the reality of the truth that Andrew Holness trade you know out every day, every morning, every evening and every night. When Andrew think about Jamaica, Andrew think about what him can benefit half of Uno or half Jamaica. Uno see. Remember in Big Sen, where the one named Mali Fool go sign the Samola agreement? Uno remember Jamaica? Uno remember him Senator go sign? Uno remember when voting for the United Nations, him no go? Him send them go sign. Always think him smart. Remember him they go get bandulu, paper, sign, figure Christopher Tufton. So him could have kick out Christopher Tufton out of the party. Uno remember Jamaica? Uno remember Andrew Eve lost deeds? Uno no remember? Uno no remember Jamaica? See him come at half a tree, come pray and say, Lord, forgive me, because I've sinned against the nation. And the next week, he raised him salary 300 and the ministers pay 300 and 200% increase. And the other week him come out and said, let them meet them maker. And him come back again and sign the LBGTQ agenda to promote on the island. You don't remember them things, Jamaica? And then in take time act like him innocent. And look at Ono. It not have anything to do with Andrew. Poor Ono. Poor soul. Sorry for you, you know. Sorry for you. But instead of no blame Andrew sooner, yeah, I look other people to point finger at. See every day you come tell me I try bring government down. We are expose corruption. Because the corruption make me have to migrate. What you say? We expose it. But watch you know. Sit down. Vote for the Labour right them. And the Labour right them have no under bandage. Shower Labour right, shower. 1 PM, 1 bro God. 1 government badness. And no nastiness. 1 card of Mike, never 2. And me, never tell a lie.
As we come to the end of this video, one thing is clear. Jamaica are paying close attention to what is happening in the country, and many are demanding transparency, accountability, and answers from those in position of leadership. No matter where you stand politically, the future of Jamaica affects all of us. These are the conversations that shape our public opinion and influence the direction of our nation. That's why it's important to stay informed, ask questions, and engage in a respectful discussion based on facts and evidence. Remember, allegations and claims should always be examined carefully, and everyone deserves fairness and due process. At the same time, citizens have a risk to seek clarity and issues that impact the country of their daily lives. Now I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this story? Do you believe enough information has been provided to the public? What changes would you like to see moving forward? Let us know in the comment section below, because your voice matters. If you enjoyed this discussion and want more content like this, please hit that subscribe button to the channel, and turn on the notification so you never miss an update. Every like, comment, and share help this channel grow and help us reach more people across Jamaica and around the world. Thank you for watching, for being part of this Willis Reaction family. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.